Have you ever wondered what the Earth would sound like if we could hear its magnetic field? Well, scientists at the European Space Agency did just that, and the results are absolutely terrifying. They took magnetic signals measured by the SWARM satellite mission and converted them into sound. What you're hearing isn't space aliens or a sci-fi movie score. It's the roar of Earth's magnetic field. This field is our planet's invisible shield, protecting us from cosmic radiation and charged particles from the sun. It's generated by the superheated, swirling liquid iron that makes up our planet's outer core, thousands of kilometers beneath our feet. Think of it as a giant, dynamic bubble that's constantly shifting and changing. The sounds you hear are an artistic representation, of course, but they're based on real data. The loudest crackling and rumbling noises represent the magnetic field itself, while the deeper, pulsating hums correspond to a solar storm hitting our magnetosphere. These solar storms are powerful eruptions from the sun that can have a huge impact on us here on Earth. They can disrupt our power grids, mess with satellites, and create beautiful auroras. The data was collected to better understand these interactions and how the magnetic field protects us. It's a bit unsettling to hear, right? It sounds like something from a horror film, a deep, menacing growl from the very heart of our world. But there's about spooky soon. This project gives us a whole new way to experience the powerful, invisible forces that shape our planet and keep us safe. By listening to the magnetic field, scientists can gain new insights into its complex dynamics. It's a powerful reminder that there are immense, unseen forces at play all around us, and our planet is far more active and alive than we might think. So next time you look up at the sky, remember the invisible, roaring shield that's protecting you. What a wild and wonderful world we live in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science.